10 myths about sneezing. Myth 1. Holding in a sneeze is harmless. Reality. Holding in a sneeze can be dangerous and potentially harmful. It can lead to injuries, such as bursting blood vessels in the eyes, ear damage, or even damage to the nasal passages. Myth 2. Sneezing always means you have a cold or the flu. Reality. While sneezing is a common symptom of colds and the flu, it can also be triggered by allergies, irritants, or other respiratory infections. Myth 3. Sneezing can make your heart stop. Reality. There is no evidence to support the belief that sneezing can make your heart stop. Sneezing is a reflex action controlled by the nervous system and does not affect the heart's functioning. Myth 4. Sneezing can make your eyes pop out of their sockets. Reality. Sneezing cannot cause your eyes to pop out. The eyeballs are held securely in their sockets by surrounding muscles and tissues. Myth 5. If someone sneezes, they have the coronavirus. Reality. While sneezing can be a symptom of COVID-19, it is not the only cause of sneezing. Sneezing can be triggered by various factors, and it does not necessarily mean someone has COVID-19. Myth 6. Sneezing spreads germs more than coughing. Reality. Both sneezing and coughing can spread respiratory droplets containing germs. The distance and force of transmission may vary, but both actions can contribute to the spread of infections. Myth 7. Sneezing always means you are allergic to something. Reality. Sneezing can be caused by allergies, but it can also result from irritants, colds, flu, or other respiratory infections. Myth 8. You can stop yourself from sneezing by pressing your tongue against the roof of your mouth. Reality. There is no scientific evidence to support the idea that pressing your tongue against the roof of your mouth can stop a sneeze. Sneezing is a reflex action that is difficult to control voluntarily. Myth 9. Sneezing too much can make your nose bigger. Reality. Sneezing does not affect the size of your nose. The shape and size of the nose are determined by genetics and bone structure. Myth 10. Sneezing is harmful to the baby during pregnancy. Reality. Sneezing is generally not harmful to the baby during pregnancy. It is a natural reflex that helps clear the nasal passages. However, if sneezing is accompanied by other symptoms or concerns, it is advisable to consult a healthcare professional.